It's the universal story of every iOS developer, fixing breakdowns and blemishes. Bugs are bound to happen. Getting rid of them is an essential skill if you want to keep your sanity when building apps. This course will focus on teaching you a set of thinking skills to couple with the fundamental tools that Xcode provides you for finding and fixing flaws in your apps. First and foremost, I will shape the way you approach debugging situations by offering you a set of principles for problem solving. You'll become familiar with some common sources of bugs, and I will teach you how to maximize your debugging effectiveness by putting your reasoning skills to practice as we think out loud through live debugging scenarios. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use breakpoints effectively and configure them for efficiently locating problems. You'll be able to inspect issues with your view hierarchies when things don't look quite right. I'll teach you how to interpret a backtrace and help you glean valuable information from Xcode's debug area and console when your app is crashing. And finally, when you feel like you're in the twilight zone of buggy behavior, I'll teach you how to locate changes in your codebase and simulate conditions that happen in the wild so that your app is prepared to meet the real world. Join me now, and I'll help you move from haphazardly hoping to locate the source of app issues to strategically and methodically reasoning about the probable causes of defects that you experience at runtime.